Hello everyone, I would like to introduce a Worldcore company, and there is a video that will introduce it in the best way. Yeah, it should work. So thank you for your attention. Actually, we started working in May 2015 as the new startup company, FinTech company, licensed in the Czech Republic. And our goal was to be all-in-one payment provider in the European states, actually. We are reaching that goal, and in 1 year we managed to do a lot of things. Actually, the first is that we offer multi-currency payment accounts for all individuals, businesses, employers. We offer different payroll solutions for employees to settle their employees' wages. We offer international wire transfers and in multi-currencies, and we offer payment services to all, actually, small businesses, financial institutions, software developers, individuals, small businesses, and so on. One thing which is very interesting and which is worth examining from the point of view of the client are virtual and plastic debited credit cards that we offer. Actually, we provide B2B services solution for e-commerce based and other businesses. It includes interfaces for accepting payments on websites and the API for mass payments and money transfer to any Visa or MasterCard issued in any banks and in any currency. The interesting thing is that starting working, we were tried to develop the service that will be very flexible for every kind of final client. So then we started working and analyzing all the mess that happens in traditional bank systems and tried to make it more flexible. The thing is that we developed, as I have told you, virtual and plastic credit and debit cards, which are available in 3 currencies, dollars, euros, and pounds. So there is the instant top-up through the payment accounts of our clients in the system of Worldcore, and virtual cards can be used for online shopping, while plastic cards can be used wherever the client wants to, and they can easily issue it through their payment account of the client, and they can easily load those cards also from the balance on the payment account. So the thing is that I have already told that our audience are individuals, freelancers, marketplaces, financial companies, software developers, merchants, and small businesses. Actually, we are very keen on security, and we have spoken about security here, about PCI, DSS, and PSD solutions, and our system provides different types of security options. In fact, there is the video for KYC management, video control and video identification of the client, and voice identification, which helps us to manage all the risks connected with the compliance. And sure, it costs us time and it costs us a lot of work, but it helps avoiding and eliminating those risk situations that happens usually with the small payment service providers. And let me tell you about our future plans. Actually, we don't stop as work in just 1 year. We have already created some very interesting services, really the clients are really very interested in coming again and returning back, and we see that conversion. But there are also a lot of future plans that we are starting to work on. First on is that scheduled on May 2016. We are working and we are planning to have PCI DSS level 1 to be compliant for card acquiring market. And also, we are planning to start multifunctional partnership programs for resellers of all levels, so that they have different options how to work with our services and how to work with their clients and how to get money from it. We plan to open online invoicing tools for clients with an option to access payments for invoices and to make the invoices easy and cost efficient. Nothing goes without mobile phones, so we make our best to make a mobile application with multiple biometrics access, such as fingertips and video access. So I have already told about our security management, and there will be the video appointment through our platform to see the client's onboarding. As well as in the nearest future, we plan to start and to be the member of SWIFT and SEPA to make our businesses all over Europe and to provide dedicated IBAN for every client.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm sure we have a couple of questions from the panel members first.
Yeah. Would you mind tell us a bit about the team? How many you are, your experience?
Actually, our team is combined from 3 departments. The first is the technology department, which has 28 members, and they started to work even before we got licensed in the Czech Republic. The second team is office team and marketing department. It has 14 members at the moment, and they're making huge work to introduce many clients like small enterprises and freelancers from Europe, and not only, I'm not talking only about Central Europe and Western Europe, but as well about Eastern Europe, which is looking forward that kind of solutions. And also there is compliance team. Actually, I'm the biological mother of this company, so I'm working with the compliance team, and those are the legal issues. So now we are planning to be passported all over the European countries, so that's also the great work.
How do you recruit customers?
As I have told you already, that we have very huge marketing work. So if you see, there is lots of advertisement in the internet trying to provide some cheap solutions for final clients, and also we achieve like merchants and corporate customers by providing them solutions that they don't have at the moment. The problem is that in the Central Europe there is very great bureaucracy with the banks, with the traditional banks. So when a small enterprise, when a small company wants to get the API or e-commerce solution, it takes something like 2 or 3 months, and it's wouldn't be finished successfully. So our aim is to provide for those small enterprises the solution that will help them. And actually with that happens the synergy effect when those small enterprises invite other enterprises, and that's the way we work.
Okay, I have a question for you about your authentication mechanism. So you have a voice biometrics method. How do you KYC your customers? So where is that based?
It happens in the compliance department. Actually, every customer that comes to our system, he has to pass several stages. The first stage is about providing all the documents about him. Actually, we authorize the client in this.
But that happens in a face-to-face or like
yes.
online?
The second one is video biometrics, video conference. Let's say this is a short one, but we record the main characteristics of the client, so that in the case he wants to have further security of his payment account, he can use it. And actually video biometrics and the voice biometrics also works for the business partners.
But how do you make sure that the customer is who he claims to be?
There are several technological characteristics that we record, and after that, also this is the photo that we record in our system. And as soon as we want to authorize the client again, or we have any suspicious activities on his account, we can ask for video, let's say, transmission.
Okay, thank you very much. Fair enough.